Where you going? Are you going to bury it someplace else now? Where's the magpie? Or his brother and sister up there watching. What are you doing? You're just gonna steal it. Eat it. Eat it. Come on. You pretty bird. You gonna talk for me? You've been chatting at me. You've been chatting at me. Yes, you have. What you doing? You know, black squirrels are not seen in a lot of the world, guys. Come here, you. Huh. Piebald pigeons, man. Pain in the rump. He's gonna fly up here and try and take it. 1,000. Ooh, 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 what we got happening?